Welcome back to the short little tutorial that I'm doing on Qbot with the Embird software and how to convert it to PLT. I am now on my tablet with the Qbot V3 Pro, and we need to import those designs that I saved on the SD card into this program. So I'm going to press the design management. All right. And then I'm going to press import designs. And then I know where the location of my SD card is. It might be different on your tablet. You'll just have to make note of where it is on yours. And I'm going to click on open and press again. And there's my SD card 1. And I'm going to open the folder. And we have the folder that I saved, that PLT file, onto the SD card. It's 3215 Sweetheart, I believe is what the short version of it. And I'm going to import the whole folder. Okay. Now, once it imports that whole folder, you're going to see the little icon, and you can see that, yes, that file that I saved in Embird did show up into the Qbot. Now, I'm going to zoom in so you can exactly see the design, and it is 31 inches wide, 27 inches tall, so it is pretty big at this point. So I'm going to go back and I'm going to tap on it again, and I'm going to reduce the nodes. By reducing the nodes, the transfer rate from going from the tablet to the machine, there's less problems. So I'm taking and pressing on the little green circle that's attached to the line and dragging that line over to the left. And at this point, I think it's fairly good at this point, and I'm going to just press save. Now it's going to save the pattern again, but it's showing it's at a reduced node. Okay, so I'm going to say okay. Now there's a duplicate file because I've played with this file, previously. So I'm going to go ahead and press overwrite. And it's copying and it's overwriting. So we're going to press the backspace, and we're going to go to the designer now. Now I'm going to design off the quilt, and we're going to have 4 by 4. Okay, and remember that was a pretty big file that was 31 inches wide and 27 inches tall. So I'm going to go to all my designs. That's where that reduced little sweetheart is. And I'm going to press it there. And there it is. It is currently 4 inches wide and 3.48 inches tall. So yes, it does work. I haven't come across any files at this point that haven't worked. I found if I used, I believe the DXF, I had broken segments. But by doing it this way, I had one continuous design pattern. I didn't have to keep going back and restarting the Qbot. So if you have any questions, feel free to give me a call or email me. I'll try to help you out the best that I can. But this is the way I do it. I'm sure there's other ways that are out there that you can do it, but this is what's working for me for the programs that I have. So as I said, if you have any questions, feel free to email me. Thanks again. Bye.